Hello everyone, I am Prabjot Kaur and today's topic is adding and subtracting decimals, or you can say adding and subtracting decimal fractions. See, we add and subtract decimal fractions in the same way we add and subtract the whole numbers. But few things we have to keep in mind. I explain you with an example. Suppose I have to add 26.79, 0.4085 and 528.254. I have to add these three decimal fractions. The things you have to keep in mind is that the decimal points should be in line. Okay, means the digits at each place, the tens place, ones place, tenth place, hundredth place should be in line. See, I am having 26.79. After that, 0.4085. So 0.4085, like this you will place the digits. And after that 528. So 5 is at hundreds place, so write 5 at hundreds place, and 28, 2 at tens place, 8 at ones place. Then decimal, 2 is at 10th place, so 254. Like this we arrange the digits and now add. Okay, so this will be 5, 8 plus 4 is 12, 1 is carry, 10 plus 5 is 15, then 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 2 16, 8 plus 6 is 14, plus 1 15, 2 plus 2 4, plus 1 5 and 5. So our answer is 555.6525. See, this way we add the decimal fractions. For our convenience, we can put 0 also. Like I am having 26.79, 0.4085 and 528.254. Okay, we can place zeros here for our convenience. Okay, and after that add, the result will be same, because the 0 on both the ends does not make any change in the value of the decimal fractions. Okay, if we put 0 here or in this side, it will not change the value of decimal fraction. Let's take one more example. Question is add rupees 37.50, 208.75 and 326. We have to arrange all the decimal points in the line. The digit at each place should be in line. So this is ones place, this is tens place, and this is 10th place, and this is 100th place. We are having 37.50. Okay, after that 208, 2 at hundreds place, then 0.75. Fine, and then 326. No digit at the 10th place and 100th place. So what we will do, we will put zeros here. Okay, the zeros after the decimal point does not make any change in the decimal fraction. So we will put zeros at this point, this place. Okay, and then start adding 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. 8 and 8 16. 16 plus 6 is 22. Then 3 plus 2 is 5, plus 2 7, and 3 plus 2 is 5. So your answer will be 500 rupees 572.25. So this way we add the decimal fractions. Okay, and if we have to subtract the decimal fractions, then what we do, I explain you with an example. Question is subtract 0.508 from 83.5. We have to subtract 0.508 from 83.5. That means 83.5 is our minuend. It will be on the top. Okay, and we have to subtract 0.508 from this. See, what we have to do while subtracting, the thing we have to keep in mind is that the larger number, this number, should have at least the same number of decimal places as the smaller number. Okay, the larger number, the minuend, should have at least the same number of decimal places as the smaller number, our subtrahend. Now here there is no digit. So what we will do, we'll convert it into like decimal. Okay, or we can say we will convert it into equivalent decimal by placing zeros here. Now it's easy to subtract. This will be 10, this will be 9, and this will be 4. Okay, 10 minus 8 is 2, here will be 9, and 4 will become 14, and 14 minus 5 is 9. This will be 2, and this is 8. Okay, so our answer is 82.992. So this way we subtract the decimal fractions. I explain you one more example. Question is subtract rupees 4 and rupees 2.25. So how we subtract? See, rupees 4 and rupees 2.25. We arrange all the decimal points in the line. Now what we will do, I have explained you earlier that the larger number should have at least the same number of decimal places as the smaller number. So what we will do, we'll convert it into equivalent decimal by placing zeros. So this will be 4.00. Okay, zeros after the decimal does not make any change in the decimal fraction, so we can put zeros here. Now subtract, this will be 10, this will be 9, and this will become 3. So 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 2 is 7, and 3 minus 2 is 1. So our answer is rupees 1.75. So this way we add and subtract the decimal fractions.